So there's a vision for Bruno's Place. There's a plan for you. You know, there's a plan even for our customers. We want to make life what convenient for them. So this place, like I said, it's a school. It's like a school. You know, it's an education where you come to educate and learn. I was talking to somebody yesterday. It was you. I said, if I didn't study you, I didn't watch you, I didn't care for you, will I advise you the way I was advising you yesterday? No. That's what I do. I call people one-on-one. Because this place is an education. Before I travel, I called you, right? No, you. I called you. And I came and I asked, how far? And I checked. Do you understand? If I didn't study her, I didn't care for her, will I tell you to do something extra? That's what this place is about. You see, there's some people, they come, they leave. Do you understand? There are people you work in a place where people don't care about you. What you just work, they pay your salary, you go. Bruno's Place is not like that. That's Bruno's Place is not like that. Are you getting what I'm saying? This is a place where, you know, because the youth, you know, of this generation, the challenges that they're having, they don't have a role model, they don't have a mentor, they don't have somebody to guide and direct them. You know, some of them are from homes that are not, maybe say dysfunctional homes. So they need a support system. Do you understand? So that's what Bruno's Place has come to be. And Bruno's Place, like I told you, is a prototype. I am a prototype. Bruno's Place is a prototype. The same way I'm raising prototypes in this place so that other people can copy. Are you following what I'm saying? Are you getting what I'm saying? We did Thank God Is Monday. People didn't even know the reason why we're doing Thank God Is Monday. It's not just by having pride. We notice that the giving spirit in this country is dying. So let's revive it. Let's start with us. Maybe peradventure, if people see the way we are doing it, then we extend it to the external society. That's what it's all about. It's about giving. Do you understand? That's why we started Thank God Is Monday. Everything that we do here, there's always a story behind it. So that's why you need to have that self-discipline to understand what we're trying to do here. Because if you do not understand what we're doing here, you will just come and cruise. After a while, you will cruise out. Do you understand what I'm saying? Let me give you an example. I want to demonstrate what I've just talked about. Tayo, can you get it? Eddie, get it. I mean, get it. Tayo, come. Stand it. Eddie, come. Stand it. I mean, stand. Let's assume Tayo is the body, right? Hello. Let's assume Tayo is the body. You are the spirit still. And you are the soul. Right? If you are coming, who do you see first?
See the body.
Face this side now. Are you scared? If you are coming, who do you see first? You see the body. But is the body everything? Is the body the main thing? Okay, what is the main thing? No, is the soul? Before the soul, the spirit is sex. Without the spirit, there is it without the soul. How many of us disagree with that? Do we disagree with that? How many of us disagree with it? Whether you are in Nigeria or whether you are everywhere, nobody, no matter the religion you are in, this is the fact of life. There is a body, there is a spirit, and there is a soul. The most important part of you actually is your spirit. Is your spirit. Your spirit operates through your soul, then it manifests in your body. Whatever happens here, there has to be a meeting between these two. True or false? If you don't understand it, you can never understand business. I love Coca-Cola. I love Coca-Cola. When headphones started raining, they put up a bottle of Coca-Cola and they wore it a headphone. You know what they're saying? They say Coca-Cola is a being. when they start talking about figure 8, what did they do? They created a bottle of Coca-Cola and made it like a figure 8, the shape of a woman. What are they telling you? Coca-Cola is a being. So whatever you are doing, you manifest to whatever you are doing. Do you understand? Coca-Cola has a body, it has a soul, and it has a spirit. You want me to prove it to you?
Yeah.
The shape of Coca-Cola is like the body. The content on the inside is the spirit. Then the writings on it as the soul. So it's 3 in 1. It tells you he's a human being that manufactures Coca-Cola. That's why Coca-Cola says, you can't. They know what they're doing. They're not doing anyhow. Do you understand? Do you buy Coca-Cola just because of the bottle, of the Coke, or the shape of the bottle? Why do you buy it? It's because of the content. It's because of the content. If you don't understand this, you cannot understand business. Do you understand? Let's relate it to what we're talking about. This is the platform. Are you getting it? The spirit is the platform. This is Bruno. This is you. This is you. Are you getting it now? When a customer comes, he sees a tire first. You think it's because of tire that is coming? Is it really because of tire that is coming? The packaging is good, is it not good? The marketing is good, is it not good? The networking is good, is it not good? Whether off, is it not good? But those ones are just a means of attraction. It's just access. When they come, this is what they are coming for. Do you understand? This is the main thing. But this one helps them to stay. Are you getting what I'm saying? But if this tool is not there,